Hey baddies and zaddies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany Banks, your favorite independent musician, and today I'll be doing another unboxing, specifically a Gucci product unboxing. These Gucci products are my top 3 picks for spring and summer this year, and my overall recommended buys for this season from Gucci. So let's get into it. So the first product we'll be looking at today is the GG Marmont shoulder bag. This bag retails for $3,300 Canadian. It comes in 18 different color variations. The small GG Marmont camera bag has a softly structured shape and a flap closure with a double G hardware. The sliding chain strap can be worn multiple ways, changing between a shoulder and a top handle bag. Made in matelassé chevron leather with a heart on the back. Okay, baddies and zaddies, it's Brittany Banks, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Gucci Double G, so GG Marmont shoulder bag. I think that's how you pronounce it. It retails for $3,300, and today I got my black one. So we're going to be unboxing it. I did a little bit of tweaking just so that I could have a proper presentation for you guys today. And I know that this bag comes in a whole whack load of variations. So it comes in like 30 different colors, 30 different designs. So we're going to try and keep it short today. So here we go. So again, this is the GG Marmont shoulder bag. Hit subscribe if you want to see more unboxings like this. I might do a deep dive on Gucci the brand. So we'll see about that. But for now, this is what it is. Also, just apologizing in advance about the lack of backdrops and things like that. I just moved, so you're going to have to bear with me. But okay, let's get into it. So this is the Gucci Double G Marmont shoulder bag. It also comes in a mini bag, but I prefer not to get the mini bags because you really can't fit anything in it other than like a cell phone and maybe a card. So I like the full-size bags, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. All right, so I'll leave that there just so I can have a good thumbnail. I'm just kidding. So, alright, so this is the box, and today we're going to be opening it. I opened it a little bit earlier just to make sure everything was intact and to make everything pretty. But other than that, I really didn't do too much alterations per se. Okay, so you open up the bag, and we have the little bit of the paper and the Gucci sticker. I'm surprised they don't give you like Gucci logo designed wrapping paper, because I know that's something that Michael Kors did, and I really like that per se. But anyway, so here is the bag. So this is the Double G Gucci Marmont shoulder bag. It retails for $3,300. So it is a little bit of an investment. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Okay. So it has a long strap, but I'm going to show you once I pull it out like that. It's leather, the entire bag. I don't know if you can see this with the camera, but the back has like a little heart emblem. I didn't know if it was supposed to come like this or not, but it definitely is supposed to come like that. But this comes in a bunch of different variations. So you can get the fabric a different color, you can get the chains and the surrounding metal a different color. I believe you can get them in silver and things like that. And this is the bag. So it undoes just by like a push clip right here, and then it opens up. It's pretty stiff right now because I haven't used it at all, but we'll get to that. Okay, so the strap comes up like this, and you can either wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, depending on how you want to wear it. I really like the chain. Seems like it's covered in like a matte material, so it won't get too hot or too cold. Oh well. But I really like this bag so far. So you're going to open it up, and it's going to come with a little zipper pocket on the inside, and actually no like other foldy pockets or anything like that. So it's just going to come with a zipper pocket on the inside. I don't know if you can see that there. I have some hand sanitizers in here already because, like I said, I did some tweaking. So anyway, so it has the little, I'll show you the little zipper. And then the inside just looks like that. I did try it on already, so excuse the couple items in there. But as you can see on the other side here, where the zipper pocket is. On the other side, there is actually no other pockets. And there are no pockets on the outside. So the zipper pocket is the only one you get. And like I said, this is the Gucci Double G Marmont shoulder bag. I'll show you where it goes down to. It goes down to about here. I'm 5'1", and it goes down to about here. Or you can wear it as a crossbody bag, and it goes down to about here. Here. So it fits perfectly in, but I prefer to wear it as a shoulder bag. So, I don't know, if you're trying to grow your collection of purses, if you're trying to do like a starter collection, I would definitely recommend one of these in the color of your choice. So again, GG, Double G, Marmont, shoulder bag. Mine's in black and gold. Get yours today. Anyway, you can get them on the Gucci website. And I really like the shipping process. And I really liked how well the customer service was. And actually, just for my unboxing, I went into the store and I said, hey, can I get an extra bag and box just to have it fresh for my unboxing? And they actually were super, super helpful. So I really like that. Okay, so the Gucci Marmont shoulder bag, I give that, honestly, a 5 out of 5 for this summer. Okay, and I'm going to move on to a smaller Gucci product that I never did an unboxing for. But I did get it a while ago. There's 2 in here. They're actually 2 belts. So again, if you're trying to grow your collection, these are probably my most recommended buys. So again, it comes in a cute little bag. And again, a box. Gucci loves to do the boxes and bags. And Brittany likes to get the boxes and bags.
So the second product we'll be looking at today is the 2015 Re-Edition Wide Leather Belt. This belt retails for $680 Canadian and comes in 27 different color and design variations. Emblematic looks are presented in the Overture collection and create a link to Gucci's rich history. A wide leather belt with a double G buckle, a reprisal from the 1970s Gucci collections. The belt width is 1.5 inches.
It works out. So you're going to, oh, by the way, that one came with a little fabric bag for, like they have a whole bunch of stuff in the bags that the products that they give, but it comes with a nice like fabric bag, comes with a nice couple other things, a little card if it's a gift, but I'll show you more of that in this because this one is in better shape. So this is the box. This is actually the bag that oh no, this is my Michael Kors thing. Whoopsies, I just wanted to keep it separate. Okay, there we go. Whoop. All right, so it actually comes with a fabric bag, but I don't know where mine is. Okay, so first I'm going to show you I guess you would call this the like original logo Gucci belt. Again, the double G to match the bag, as you can see, bing bing. So of course it's all leather, and this is my double G. I had it tailored specifically to my size. So the size is a little bit smaller, way smaller. But this is the double G belt in gold and black. So I got it to match the bag, and it looks like this. This one, I think for the girls, is a little bit skinnier. For the boys, I think it's a little bit thicker, just this wise, width-wise. But other than that, I really didn't see any variations other than that. So that's the GG belt. And I'll put all that product information in the description below just so you can go and check it out for yourself if you want to start to grow your collection.
So the very last product we're going to look at today is the leather belt with a pearl double G. This belt retails for $910 Canadian. There are no variations available for this belt in particular. This belt is also 1.5 inches width. And the Gucci Double G is enriched with pearl effect studs and scallop trims, placed on a smooth leather belt.
And yeah, so the last product I'm going to show you is the exact same belt, but it's like the girly version, and it has like the pearl features. I'll show you. What do you call them? Embezzlements? All right. So it's the exact same belt, double G, and but this one just has pearls on it. So I'll show you a little bit more closer. So this one just has pearls on it, and I just got this one because I found it a little bit more girly. And like I said, it was good to grow my collection. I think you have a choice of deciding on how thick the belt can be this way. So I'll find the information and I will put it in the, it has all the descriptions here. So I'll put all this in the description below in the video, just so you can get an idea of how big things are. I'm 5'1", so that's how this compares to me. This is how thick it is. I'm a really tiny person. And I think I got the one that was a little bit thicker than like the skinny one that they recommend for girls, because I just felt like that looked like poo. Okay, so this is the pearl bezel double G belt from Gucci. Of course, their boxes come with nice ribbons and things of that sort. Their customer service is awesome. They come with a bunch of different things in the box too, so I really like that. The boxes are pretty. The only thing I will say about the boxes is because they are white, they do get kind of damaged, you know, in the car or like scuffed or whatever along in your travels. So that's the only thing I would say. So for spring and summer 2023, these are my 3 Gucci purchases. I hope that you like them. I also have a Gucci and North Face puffer coming on the way, but it's almost May now. It's coming. But I wasn't going to wait to hold up the whole Gucci unboxing video for that puffer, so I decided to do these 3 items. Hope that you like it for this unboxing. Hit subscribe below if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know if you want to see a Gucci deep dive, so you know how their company's been performing, things of that nature. So this is my unboxing for Gucci for the spring and summer of 2023, and let me know if you want to see more products like this. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more. Bye!
Thanks again for watching. I'm Brittany Banks, and I hope to see you next time. Make sure you hit subscribe to stay updated on every new release. Hitting the subscribe button is also an easy way to show your support. You can also follow me on your favorite platforms. Here are the links so you can stay connected. I'm Brittany Banks. Thanks for watching, and bye.